Let's look at practice 2. What it really is just a repetition of the basics. We just want you to practice what we just did one more time. So in practice 2, what it's asking you to do is essentially go through the same process of setting up your code and then changing it just a little bit. So look at the first order of business. Go ahead and create something called practice 2. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So File, New, and I'm going to go ahead and save this project as practice2.html. And since this is Notepad++, don't forget to change it to hypertext markup language. And let's hit save. Okay. Now for the second part, it's going to be just like what we did in the last one. Remember, don't forget the HTML tags, don't forget the header tags, your title, and let's call it practice 2 in comments. Remember, this lets web search engines search for your page. So make these words valuable, okay? And then of course, everything else is going to go inside the body. Let's go ahead and get the rest of the code in there. Okay, and now I've got a header that says welcome to page 2. And now I've got a paragraph that says how I have 2 web pages, just as the practice asks. So a couple of things. Remember, headers and paragraphs go inside the body tag. These things must be closed off. This symbol, it identifies a tag being closed off. So just like here, don't forget this one, HTML must be closed off, title is closed off, header is closed off, paragraphs are closed off. Don't forget these. So these different tags identify exactly what it is inside that web page that we are doing. That's the end of practice 2.